Oh, I saw your question here where you want to use Cramer rule to solve this for x and y. So first thing you got to do is set it up. X is going to be the quotient of two by two determinants. And the way you find these numbers is you just copy down the coefficients 7, 9, and 4, -8. Okay, since we're solving for x, I call the first column the x column, the second one the y column. So you have the x column and the y column. So in the first column, what you want to do is put the constants. The second column should match the denominator. So that's how you set this up. Now you want to evaluate the determinants. The way you evaluate the 2 by 2 determinants is this product minus the other diagonal. So this diagonal's product would be a positive 104. This diagonal's product would be let's see, minus 196, and you need to subtract. I get a negative 92. Now this diagonal here will be negative 56 minus this diagonal, which is 36, which again gives negative 92. So that's quotients 1. Now we've already have the bottom determinant for y. And so this time in the second column we'll put the constants, negative 13 and 49. The other column will match the bottom determinant here. So then this diagonal's 343. Product of this diagonal will be a negative 117, but we're subtracting, so a minus and negative will be a plus. So it gives you 460 over negative 92, which is negative 5. Hope this helps.